What's good, everyone? Welcome to another Test It Tuesday.
Test it Tuesday. Test it Tuesday.
Hey, it's a brand new day. Wake up, darling, show me what you can do with the gifts you're given. Trust.
This time, we are actually unboxing this box from Influencer. And then once I open it up, if there's something that I can test, I will go ahead and test it today. So I am excited. I think this is my very first unboxing video. So I often get boxes from Influencer. Most of the items that I have tested previously have been from Influencer. I absolutely love when I receive things from them. It's like Christmas every time that I get something from them. So I will be opening up this box. I have an idea of what's inside because once you qualify for a box, they kind of tell you what's inside. So I have an idea. I just don't know what the sizes are, and I am excited because they don't skimp out on sizes. I've gotten so many things from them. I've gotten a Victoria's Secret matching set workout clothes from them. They don't skip out on the sizes of anything. So we will be opening this up to see what's inside with you. I have an idea. I just don't know if it's full size or if it's like sample sizes or anything like that. So let's get to opening. I am excited. I am excited. Can you tell? Let's see. Okay, so the very first thing that I see, sorry I keep looking over there, it's my camera display and I'm trying to make sure that the focus is all good because I've been having problems with this camera and focus, so just ignore me looking over. But the very first thing that I see is the hair, skin, and nails gummies. Oh, I'm excited for this. I actually buy these all the time. So I am excited for these. I ran out just recently and I haven't bought any soon. I'm gonna eat some now. Yes! I love these. These help a lot with nail growth and then hair growth. I honestly have not noticed it for hair growth just yet, but it makes my nails grow like crazy. You take 2 of these a day and they are so good. They're not like the gummies that are like coated in the sugar crystals, so they're not that sweet. I absolutely hate the gummies that are coated in sugar crystals, and I'm looking for different vitamins that aren't like that and still good. So I gotta figure that out soon, but I'm gonna take 2. This is C'est Moi. In translation, it's me. It's a purifying charcoal clay facial mask. I think I might actually try this one today. I haven't done a mask in a long time, so I might actually try this. I'm not super crazy about masks all the time because my skin is really sensitive. If you haven't seen my other videos, I have talked about before about getting hyperpigmentation and like a really big breakout from trying oils, hemp seed oil and oil cleansing that just didn't quite agree with me just yet. So every time I receive like skin products, I am very on the fence about it a little bit, but I will be trying this and we'll see how this goes. Oh, this is Eva NYC hairspray. This is like a temporary color spray in the color of purple and then also in the color of blue. Maybe this will be my next Test It Tuesday. Which one should I try? The purple or the blue? So I don't have my natural hair out yet, but I am willing to try it on the sew-in just to see how it looks. So how about you comment down below, which one should I try on my hair? Should I try the purple temporary color or should I try the blue temporary color? I don't know. I would love to try this on my natural hair though once I take this down. So let me know which one I should try. What else is in here? Oh, I love this box already. So much in there. This is a Greek yogurt foaming cream cleanser, and it's for all skin types. A cleanser that's all skin types. I actually like the size of this because this would be perfect for traveling. Right now, the soap that I use on my face, one of my friends gave me African black soap that has actually been working wonders. I don't have foundation on right now, and it's reducing the bumps, and I have noticed that it's getting the hyperpigmentation down. It's hard to carry that with me everywhere because I'd have to put it in like a Ziploc bag or something like that. So I am eager to try this out while I'm traveling and see how it works for my skin. So this will be next. What else is in here? There are a few more cards. This one says special delivery. Taste of Home is giving you one free box valued at $80. Oh! Valued at $80. I will definitely make sure to check this out. It's called Special Delivery from Taste of Home. I've actually never heard of this. Is why I love Influencer in your boxes. They introduce me to things that I have never heard of or things that I would just never go out on my own to purchase. So I love when I get things like this because it gives me an idea of what these different brands are. So I will make sure to order this very soon. If you have never tried Influencer or heard of Influencer, they are a service that kind of gives you products to test and review, and then you provide a review via social media. So you can post about it on your Instagram, post about it on Facebook, tweet about it, make a video about it, just different things like that. So I know there are people who try to do Influencer and they just never receive anything from them. Here are a few tips. If you actually want to get products from them, you have to make sure that you are completing the snaps. So on their page, they have these things called snaps, where you give reviews of products that you have used in the past. The more products you review, I guess the more you are on their radar. And it's not like you're just getting products from them and not doing anything for their website. So make sure that you are reviewing and doing the snaps and filling out the activities. You don't have to write like elaborate reviews, just short, simple, honest reviews that about products that you have used already, and that already helps you out. Tip number 2, make sure to connect your social media accounts. If your social media accounts are not connected, they do not know what kind of interactions that you are having. So in general, just products and brands, they like to see that you have some sort of following, some sort of interaction. The interactions mean a lot because that's how other people are hearing about their products. That's how other people are seeing their products. So although I don't have many followers on Instagram, please make sure to follow me on Instagram so I can get more products to review, and I'm not spending all my money on products to review for you all. But please make sure you follow my Instagram below at Akoswhereyouat. So if you have a lot of followers and it shows that you're having meaningful interactions with them, when you talk to companies, you can show that to them, and they will then know, oh, okay, if we give her this product to review, then she will be able to at least bring these amount of people over, at least like tell these amount of people about this product. And it's like word of mouth. Word of mouth is always much better for promoting products that we use all the time, because most of the time before I try something, I ask my friends, have you tried this before? Did you like it or did you not like it? If you haven't tried it, do you know anyone who has tried it? 3, very important. Once you get the box, let me stop leaning forward like that because my camera likes to not focus, but once you get the box, make sure that you are completing the campaign. When you get a box from Influencer, they always have a card that gives you instructions on things that you should do. Follow the card and do all the things that it says to do, because if you don't, you're basically just receiving products for them for free, complimentary, yet you're not holding your end of the bargain by completing the campaign. So what I mean by completing the campaign is tweeting about it, Instagramming about it, all that. When you Instagram or tweet about it, you can take a screenshot of it, and on the app, you can post your screenshot, and they know that you have done it, so you get points for that. The more points you get to completing the campaign, the better your chances are of getting another box. Come on, gotta chew this on so I can talk. I don't know why I did that, because now I guess this can be bloopers.
Rise and shine, gotta get the day started. Sun beaming in my face as the blessings keep falling.